guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm so excited. We are going to be doing our Boxyluxe for the month of December 2019. We're wrapping up the whole year. I'm so excited, and the new beginning is right around the corner. So this is what it looks like. Okay, anyhow, so let's just go ahead and get started. I haven't opened it. If you guys can tell, the seals are still there. Okay, I get so excited when I get makeup. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let's break down into it. I have some keys right here that I am using to pop it open. Okay, anyhow, so this is what the box looks like. Oh my god, I see a setting spray, and I was really hoping for a setting spray. Let's go ahead and start off with this one. All right, guys, so this one is, yes, I'm pretty sure this is a setting spray. So this item right here, it is the In Beauty Project. I think that's what it says, In Beauty Project. And this is a Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. And it helps to set your makeup, energize, and revive your skin. Oh my god, I love setting sprays. You guys have no idea how much I love setting sprays. I have an addiction to setting sprays, but let's put it to the test to see. I guess we're gonna mix it. So I guess it has like, it's like blue at the bottom. It's really, really hard to see, but it's blue at the bottom, and then the top is kind of like green. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see what the little mister feels like. Ooh, yes, let's try it. Why did I do that? I am about to wash off this whole face. Oh yeah, but it definitely smells nice, fresh, and clean, and I am definitely gonna be putting this to use. Yes, yes, yes. I absolutely love this item. That was the first item I got. All right, so moving along with the next one, let's take out this little box. Okay, so this little box is a Cosmetix Clinical Luxurious. That's what it says on the front of the box. I feel like it's like a piece of jewelry. Okay, so it is this item right here. I do remember picking this item on one of my emails. Yes, I do remember doing that. Oh my god, this is so unique, and it's so different, and it's very heavy. Okay, so let me just read about it really, really quick. Okay, so this item right here, it's actually pretty freaking cool, you guys, and I absolutely love the color. It reminds you of my purple hair that I had once upon a time. Okay, so this is a face and body massage beauty roller. Okay, so this, I guess you would roll it on your face. Oh, and it feels so good because it's nice and cold. Okay, this is very unique. Okay, so you could use it for your forehead, for your cheek, for your collarbone, for your underarm, for your hand, it says. You could also use it on your neck, on your back, and you could even also use it like on your calves. Okay, this is very interesting. I would definitely use it for my face. It feels so good. Maybe after like you washed your face and you put like a serum or like, you know, all that goodness on your skin, and then just roll it. Oh my god, this feels so good. I absolutely love this. Okay, we're gonna move along to the next item. All right, so next is the little beat up page that they always send us with the actual prices. I'm gonna go through that towards the end. I actually want to see what's in the actual box, and then we'll go through that little paper at the very end. Okay, next we got this right here, and this looks like a towel. It is a towel. So this is by Daily Concepts, and it is your hair towel, your hair wrap towel, I should say. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I guess once you take a shower, you just throw it down and then just wrap it up, and it'll absorb all of the water that you have in your hair, because I have a lot of hair and my hair holds up so much water, and it takes forever to like air dry, so I try to air dry it the majority of the time and not to use like so much heat on it. So yeah, that's what we got. We got a hair wrap for the hair. I will definitely put this to use. This is actually pretty cool. All right, I'm loving my box so far. I'm not even sure which variation I have. Okay, so looking at the card, I have variation. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is number 11. Variation number 11. Okay. Ooh, I like this box. Okay, so next off, we got this right here, and it's pretty heavy, and it's glass, and it feels very fancy. Okay, so this item is the M.Green Grass. So this is a dry oil spray. So you can use this for beach air. Wait a minute, hold up. What is this? Okay, so spray and massage the oil directly onto your skin. For your hair, spray the oil onto your palms and run through the tips of your hair. For face, spray the oil onto your hands and apply to the face where needed. Okay, so this is a multi-use oil, so it could be used for your hair, your body, your face. All right, let's see. Let's see, does it even, ooh, the sprayer is really nice. Oh my God, you guys. Huele tan rico. I am about to run this through my hair like so. Oh yes. I thought I was not gonna like this, but girl, this thing smells so bomb. Oh my God, I would use it as a hair perfume so my hair can smell good. Oh, love. I thought I was honestly gonna hate this. Wow, I really like it. It's actually really, really good. And it smells so delicious. Whoa, does my face look dewy or what? I feel like it does. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I absolutely love that. Whoa, I totally thought I wasn't, but I actually like it. It's pretty good. Okay, well, all right, so we have several items down here. Which one should I get? I'm getting so excited. Okay, let's get this one. All right, so this little box has a bubble wrap. Oh, I like it. Okay, so this is the, oh, I got oil all over it. Okay, so this is what the little box looks like. And this is the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. Oh, I love highlighter. Oh my Jesus, I just hope that it doesn't emphasize my texture that I have going on, because that's what happens a lot of the times with me since my skin is very, very textured. All right, so this is what the little packaging looks like. It's so cute. Oh my God, I love. Okay, this is what it actually looks like on the inside. I love it. Okay, you can see that. It's so pretty. Okay, let me. Oh, it's like a golden copper color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like right in there. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna add some of that to the tip of my nose. Okay, but it is very, I don't know, it's kind of dark, but it's still very pretty. I will definitely put this to use. It's so cute. The packaging, the compact, like the whole thing is really, really pretty. I absolutely love. Okay, I think we're almost done. Yes, we're almost done. Okay, so the next item we got was this right here, and this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Oh my God, I love. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so oh, the bottle is so pretty. Okay, so it's a rose scented oil, and I think this is for your whole, it's not for your whole body like the other one. This one's for the face. So this one's the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And let's open it up. I thought the bottle was gonna be bigger. It's kind of small. It's like the size of my palm, maybe smaller, but still very pretty. Okay, let's see what this oil is about. I'm gonna put some on my hand. I'm trying not to spill it. I want to see if it smells like roses. It does. It smells very, very good. Oh, you guys. Okay, so you can probably rub this oil on your face. You know, put it on your face and then you can like roll it with this. I think so. That's what I would do. I would use these two together. And then I would use this for my whole body when I get out of the shower. And then I would put it on my hair. And then I would use this toalla to wrap up my chonguito. That's what I would do. Okay, I get so excited. All right, moving along. We have something pink back here. All right, so this item right here is going to be the Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss, and I got mine in the color Crazy Rich. And it looks like it's probably gonna be like a pink color with like sparkle and glitter. But Too Faced has the cutest little packaging ever. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, fuck. I'm not gonna get scared. I know it's midnight and I'm afraid of the dark, but there's a lot of gusty winds outside and I'm thinking that's what it is because I heard a noise on my door, so I hope that's what it is. If not, my house needs a limpia. Okay, anyhow, so this is what this lip gloss looks like. It's so pretty. All right, this is what the applicator actually looks like, and I'm gonna put some right here. It feels kind of thick. I just hope that it's not sticky, but it is this right here, and it has like glitter, like little glitter rose gold little specks. That's really pretty. I like it. Should I put some on? No, because it's gonna be sticky. I should not do that. I will try this for another time, but this is what I got. Was, why do I drop everything? I swear. Okay, but this is what we got. We got the Too Faced lip gloss. Okay, so we got two makeup items. We got the gold highlighter, confetti highlighter, my bad, I should say, and then the lip gloss. Okay, so those are the two makeup items that we've got so far. All right, then we got a box down here at the bottom. And this is the Soy Face Cleanser. For all skin types, it's rich in amino acids. It gently cleanses the face and the eyes. Oh yes, that's what I'm gonna use right now. I'm gonna take all this makeup off, all this dewiness that I have going on. Oh wow, this is really, really big. Oh yes, I'm gonna be using this with my Clarisonic right now. Right when I'm done filming this, I'm gonna be putting this to use. I just want to see what it. Why does everything smell so good? Oh my god. Okay, so this is what it kind of looks like. Oops, sorry. I do not mean to flip you off, but it feels like. It smells so good. It smells so refreshing. It smells like cucumbers. Ah, huele bien rico. Okay, yes, I like this. I like the consistency of it. Oh yes, I can't wait to use it. What am I gonna rub my hands off with? I'm gonna use this bubble wrap. Wow, okay, this is what we got. I haven't tried any of the fresh items, but this one looks really, really good. I'm excited to use this to cleanse out my whole entire face. Yes, okay. Moving along, I think we have one more item in here. Yes, we do. And I think that's it. Yes, yes, that's it. That's all we have in the box. Okay, so next we have this right here. And this is makeup. Yes, this is by Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. This is the book that I got. How cute is that? Ooh, so cute. Oh my god, these colors are gorgeous. This is what the palette looks like. Man, I swear on camera it does no justice at all, but it's super pretty. I love. Alright guys, so this wraps up this whole video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you do, please make sure to give me some thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.